Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I've been getting a lot of comments about how to create stairs in your floor plan, and this video is going to show you how. Okay, so we're going to go and click on add furniture. We're going to scroll until we see the stairs icon, and we're going to click it. We're going to look through and see our options, and we're going to choose which best suits our space. And if you have the pro version, you have a lot of other options, but I'm going to go with what I'm being recommended with. Now when this is being added to my space, it's going to look like if it's not for my space. This is because this room wasn't created for stairs, but I'm just creating it to show you guys how you add the stairs to your room. Now it's been added and it's a bit too big. You can resize it to what size you want to resize it to. So I'm going to click on it and click on size, and you can type in which numbers you want, how much feet, how much inches you want the stairs to be, and you're going to hit apply. We can move it around to suit our space and where we want to put it. And there you have it. This is how you add stairs to your room. You can also change the color if you have the pro version as well. And there you have it guys. This is how we create and put stairs into our room. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.